Oi. Alrighty. I guess I should be live now. Haven't done a live stream in a while. Been kind of busy. But yeah, here I am. I'm working on software for the next video, and yeah, we're streaming. So that's what today's live stream is going to be. Just working. I actually have most of the code already finished for this one, so um, it might not be too much, but yeah, we'll see. I gotta get my bearings on where I left off on this code. See. I think this one's short enough. Okay, let's do that. Alright, got something in the test folder. Let's go ahead and run it. Oops, select input folder. Cool, well that works perfect. That's nice. Let's go ahead and listen to them.
How to get AI voice models for the AI. So if you don't have the hardware to train,
Nice.
I personally am not distributing my voice models. And of course, I think there is just a little bit of common sense.
Nice, nice, nice.
And it has, a bunch of different. And so inside of here, you should have a .pth file. And then we can go ahead.
Here we are. And this is how the voice models sound. When it takes the chunk, it might get a little bit clearer, but
Alright, so that's going to be it for this video today. Just something quick.
Nice. Okay, cool. Increase the chunk. Get up there, but obviously. Nice. Right, requirements. Torch vision, torch audio, PySRT, PyDub, PyYAML. Okay. I'm surprised it's actually doing Okay, well that works good. The other thing I want to do is I want to add PyEndNote into here to do diarization. So I'll have to look up some documentation on WhisperX. Let me go ahead and show that screen where it's going. Alrighty, here we go. There's that. There's this. Soft edge. Alright. Here we are, WhisperX. should have speaker diarization in here somewhere. Here we go. To enable speaker diarization, include your Hugging Face access token that generate here. Hugging Face. Okay, I actually have this. I can't show this on stream. Yikes. Okay. Whisper. Whisper X. Oh wow, I'm dropping frames like crazy. It looks like. It was just good. Okay, my frame should be good. Hey, welcome to the live stream watcher. How's it going? So it's okay. There's my Hugging Face token. All right. Well, let me let me hide this token so you guys can't see it. I will modify this off of the screen. Software. I'm creating basically just an audio splitter. That's usually the sim uh, the hardest part of dataset curation is just curating a good dataset. So, two things are needed: splitting it into manageable chunks, and then also diarization, which is identifying who's speaking and who's not speaking. Once you have those two, you're golden. Hugging Face token. Hugging Face token. I am going to save the changes and I'm going to modify that off screen. Let me go ahead and open this up in a notepad, notebook. All right, open with notepad. All right. I will delete this one just to be safe after stream, but regardless. All right, cool. We've got that in there. All right, we are going to do our Hugging Face token equals settings. Oh, that was a sneeze. Hugging Face underscore token. Okay. Now that is all good. I don't expect everyone to have the GPUs on hand to be doing any of the training, so Google Colab is a godsend for that. Credit where credit is due, but there are just a lot of issues with Colab, so I was like, I'm gonna invest in the hardware to do it locally. I actually had I had a 2070 Super beforehand, but it wasn't doing what I wanted it to, so I upgraded. To enable speaker diary, include your Hugging Face letting you generate and accept the user agreement. Okay, so if I go to here, I should be able to specify that. Face token. What the heck do I call it up here? Lowercase. Face token. Okay. For the following models, already did that. Assign speaker labels. Okay. how do I do it without? How do I do it not in Python? Transcribe with original whisper, launch audio, align whisper output, model A metadata, code result. Uh, After alignment, delete model flow and resources, assign speaker labels. Okay. Diarization pipeline. Okay, diarize. Model, audio file. So I could probably do that. No, actually, I should be able to just, run it from the terminal. So we'll run it from the terminal first, just to see how things work here. WhisperX. We're gonna call this. We're gonna rename this as something simple, like test. Let's go ahead and run the splitter. Okay, it's going to. Oh shoot! Did I add? I did put an Hugging Face in here. Okay. Well, I guess it's got to download the models, so it's gonna make my Wi-Fi even slower. 400 megabytes. Okay, whatever. Um. To enable speakerization. Okay. I mean, he says all we need to do this is just that. So I wonder how it diarizes it. I wonder if it'll diarization. And then parameters I want to continue in order to improve this all the rest. Here, like the 16. Okay, min speakers, max speakers. It works very well. Permission denied. Okay, cool, fine. Updated the update rebuild to provide samples that enable one to compare. Okay, I'm not gonna play around with that right now. Alright, let's go ahead and run this regardless. Shoot. Delete. Okay, cool. I wonder if it's diarization just only inside. Okay, regardless. Let me go ahead and clear this. Go into my test folder, WAV files, directory. I do watch him. I have watched some of his videos, so yeah, he's pretty cool. His little projects have been pretty nice. I've taken some inspiration from some of them as well, and used some of the libraries and stuff on it. So, what's up, DJI? Appreciate it. I am really glad that I'm able to offer some inspiration to you guys, and I believe my mic is very low. So yeah, no, honestly, I'm glad I'm able to help you guys out with anything. Even if it's just me sharing how I'm doing stuff. I think it's pretty cool that you guys are able to take some inspiration from it. Test.web Hungerface underscore token. It's expecting an argument. Okay, since I don't want to expose my Hugging Face token on the interwebs right now, I'm going to run this in a CMD, so I'm going to do this off screen for a second. Don't mind me. Let's go ahead and open this in a terminal. Hugging Face token. Go ahead and grab my Hugging Face token. Paste that bad boy in there. Alright, now what other parameters do I have in here? I'm going to do device is equivalent to CUDA. Our model, we're going to run large v2 model, and don't really care about output directory. Language is going to be English, and then output format is going to be SRT. All right. Cool. So what I'm doing right now is just doing some diarization off screen to see if it does it, which I have no clue how it would. So yeah, these last couple of lines should be a different speaker. Test SRT. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and delete this. We don't need that. And what the heck does diarization do? It doesn't seem like I'm getting any type of output from diarization, so... Woo! Thank you for tuning in, Luz. Yes, I hit 5K subs. That was crazy. I went from, last week I had like 1K subs, and then this week everyone wanted to become an anime waifu, so they subscribed to my channel, and I hit 5K, so... Appreciate it, watcher. I am currently working as an engineer, so I do have an engineering job, but yeah, using my skills for YouTube, kind of fun. Yeah, I graduated with a degree in mechatronic engineering, so who would have thought I would want to get into the AI sphere of things? To enable speaker diarization. I have no clue how the speaker diarization is done, so I will search that up again. Let's scour through the scour through this. Do I need to set min max? Maybe I have to do a min max. Let me try that actually. The inevitable has come. Yeah, I had I got hired last year. Took several months, but I got hired last year after graduating, and I've actually been doing YouTube for like the past 3 years, but nobody wanted to watch my Japanese stuff. I'm just kidding. I was just doing YouTube for tracking my journey as learning Japanese, and then it switched over to AI this year, or tech. You know how people have hobbies? Well, my hobbies are Japanese and YouTube. Or at least that's what it is now. But yeah, I just got home. I just got home at midnight because I work swing, and I was like, well, I need to finish working on some code that I'd been working on before going to work, so that I can get this code out. I need to get this done by Friday because I want to create a video on Friday on how to curate a data set for RVC and some of its SVC. So kind of need this in order for it to in order for that video to be made. No, if YouTube felt like work, I'd quit. YouTube is just something that I do for fun. I think that's the best way to go about it. That's why when I started doing YouTube like 3 years ago, just tracking my Japanese journey, once it got to the point to where it was just kind of repetitive and boring to, record and upload what I'm doing for learning Japanese, I just I didn't post as much, and I was like, oh man, what am I gonna turn this channel into? And so AI hit, and I was like, oh well, this is something I want to do. This is kind of cool. So let me start dabbling into some AI stuff, and here I am. Yeah, the moment that YouTube starts to feel like work, I got some thinking to do. Now, if I'm making the same amount of money as I am at work, maybe it's worth it, but definitely not there. No way. How to speak? Are you referring to overlapping speech? So multiple speakers, not sorry. Assign a speaker per segment, but also per word. Okay. Well, let me copy this guy's command, and maybe I need to add min speakers. Right now I'm in another terminal window that you guys can't see, so you guys can't read my Hugging Face token. Speakers 3. Alright, let me try that. Did I study computer science? No, I actually studied mechatronic engineering. So what that is, that's kind of like robotics. I've always really liked robotics ever since watching the Terminator movie, so that is where I stand now. But robotics has always been kind of a cool little thing. It's kind of a mixture of mechanical and computer engineering. I honestly didn't really like coding until ChatGPT came out. I was slowly learning. I was slowly going through coding and learning slowly and slowly and slowly, and then ChatGPT came out, and it became kind of like my personal tutor. So it helped me get through a lot of things, or it helped me get through a lot of projects, and by doing projects is how I've been learning. Test. Yeah, it'll be. I will probably only stream for another hour or so because I actually finished the majority of this before I went to work today. So right now I'm just kind of adding some would be nices to it. I don't think people actually need speaker diarization for it. And there is actually a way to do it inside of Sovit's SVC, but that's off topic. But yeah, it'll be available after you get home from work. No worries. Hmm. Why in the heck? No problemo, no problemo. Alright, maybe I need to, let me just run it in Python. Import YAML with open. Here, let me save it first. Test.py with open, what did I call it? Conf.yaml. I'm gonna do read as file, and then we're gonna do settings equals YAML.safe load file. Okay, and then what are we gonna do? Hugging face token equals settings. Hugging face token. I think that's what I did. VTuber RVC voice changer. VTuber and RVC voice changer. RVC voice changer. Have I tried that? I can do that. I can do a voice changer with RVC voice changer. That's pretty easy. That's a pretty easy implementation. Just need VTube Studio and you can link it all together. I've tried it off stream, but it works 100%. It works. What's up, Rao Ra? Thank you for tuning in for today's live stream. Appreciate it. How you doing? Okay, let me. Assign speaker labels. Whisperex.diarization pipeline. Okay, Whisperex. Do I need to import Whisperex? I think so. Oh, that's why I don't need to import it there, because I'm not using it. I'm using subprocess for that. Okay. Whisperex. Okay. Awesome. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. Appreciate you watching the videos, and hope the videos are helping you out and all that fun stuff. That's my goal, is to make great videos. Alright. Diarize model Whisperex. Hug face token is going to be equivalent to my HF token, and device, let's just hard code it NB CUDA. Okay. Where are we doing this? IO file is going to be equal to the current directory inside test. My files test.web. All right. Cool. Nice. Hey, my first super chat. Let's go. What's up, Chaos Myth? Appreciate the super chat. Never ever had a super chat before. I am going to screenshot this. Let me go ahead and screenshot that. and save that for later. That is awesome. Appreciate that I've been able to help you out with the videos. I honestly just make these videos to help out others and make sure that the you know, any these open source things are known and all that fun stuff. Sometimes when I look up things on YouTube, I just wish there was content out there, so I'm hoping to fill that void that there is for this area of technology at the moment. I have saved that as my first super chat. That is awesome. I would I should probably try it out in VR chat. That might be a fun thing. I've got one of these things, you know. One of these headsets, so might be worth the time to try that out. I don't have I don't have PC VR set up though, so haven't quite had the time. Diarize model. Alright, let me go ahead and result equals. Oh, this is from I gotta run it through this entire pipeline. Okay. No link cable. Well, I have a USB-C link, so I've got a USB-C link. I could probably get away with it. Why don't I use hashtags? Well, the YouTube algorithm is pretty good. It's pretty I'm assuming that the YouTube algorithm transcribes all the videos and already knows what content is inside of my videos, so it's smarter than I'm not gonna fool it into thinking. It already can classify my videos as AI voice videos or whatnot, so I just leave the hard work to the algorithm and focus on making the videos good. I only really use a hashtag if I feel like there's something that's, you know, maybe I'm doing something special like hashtag challenge or something. But you don't really need to do hashtags for the algorithm to know what your video is. Yeah, 100%. Shoot. Okay, what was I trying to do? Right, let me make this smaller. We'll slap in device equals CUDA. Got the audio file. Do batch size. Okay, why am I typing this out when I can just copy it? Copy paste, copy paste. That's what programmers do. Batch size 40, float 16. Transcribe with whisper. Okay, don't need to print that anymore. Model whisper large read to device compute time. Don't need that print. Line. Okay, model A. Don't know what that does, but okay. Language result. Cool. It can do the language code for me. Alrighty. Okay, this should be good to run. Okie dokie, okie dokie. This one will split based on subtitles. So this one will split from subtitles because it's much more accurate than trying to base it off of the silences and whatnot. That's what I've come to find. Where am I from? Message retracted. I saw that. uh, United States, based out of California. That's as far as you're gonna find me on GeoFinder. Yeah, and Whisper is very accurate. So Whisper is very accurate. The timing, for the most part, for Whisper X is very on point. So it should be better than the silence mechanisms, because sometimes the silence one is just kind of weird. I think they all use kind of like the same architecture maybe along the line. I haven't really done any research on that, but I've just found that Whisper X is a little bit better. Um, Ew, this is disgusting. Speaker 01. How start? Hmm. Did it not print everything? Um, I don't think it printed out everything. All right, let me JSON dump it. Um, so that I can read it. With open. I don't know. Test.json. Yeah, no, definitely. Subtitles will fix it all. Oops. Shoot. Let me get out of there. CLS. I'm gonna open this as right as F. How do I do a JSON dump? JSON dot. Dump all. Alright, handy dandy ChatGPT coming in real quick, guys. I forgot how to do JSON dump. How to do JSON dump to prettiness in Python. Alright, how to dump in pretty format. Okay, here's dump. I'm going to do results in this case. And then file indent. Indent equals 4. Alright, cool. Alright, nice. Input operation on closed file. Huh? Test.json as f json.dump result file indent. It's been used. Segments are now assigned speaker IDs. Why did it why did it fail out? Input operation close on the close file. Okay, I don't know why it's closed. Maybe, what if I go diarize segments? Maybe I could add like a wait timer. Maybe it's trying to close. Maybe it's closing it and then no, it should hold it up. I'm dumb. I wrote file instead of F. F's in the chat for fails. Yikes. Okay. Let's go ahead and hear how the voice model sounds. So here we are. And this is how the voice model sounds. Increase the jump. Hey, so this speaker diarization actually works correctly. Okay, well this is the code that does it. So how does it work for SRT file? Let's see. Transcribe audio language. diarization. Diarization SRT. Speaking was not appearing in sentence though when using diarize option. I'm using the block command to generate output model based diarize HF token. Maybe because my previous command wasn't using diarize. I appreciate it. Every video. I hope my goal is to be as informative as possible with my videos. So I'm glad to hear it. So I believe I have been doing this incorrectly, and I need to pass in diarize, which I wasn't doing like a buffoon. So let me check. Oh my god. There's a example right here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, there was a way to do it. Cool, 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 cool. Nice. Alright. And this is how the voice model sounds. So, nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice. Okay, cool. Um... that is all good. You guys don't need to see. You guys don't need to see this part of it in the videos. I'll just give you guys the scripts to run, and that should be the end of it. And but yeah, if you're ever interested, here is the process of it. A lot of looking at the screen, and the screen, expecting the screen to do something, and yeah, using Control F quite a bit, and this about sums it up. Okay, so yeah, cool, perfect. Delete this. I can delete this. Realized I was doing something dumb, and I did not put in diarize as a diarize. Yeah, this will work in Hindi. Or I spoke too soon. Let me check real quick. Whisper XH. Does this work in Hindi? Should work in Hindi. There should be a lot of languages. Let's see, is Hindi in here? Yeah, Hindi is in here, so it does work with Hindi. You just had to specify the ISO 639 code for language here. I can't go into my YAML anymore because it has my Hugging Face token, but yeah, it does do Hindi. Yeah. I wonder if I should try out my I should try out the voice changer. I didn't even think about that. Slap on the voice changer while I'm streaming. We'll see how that runs.
Audio, audio testing, audio. I can't hear myself. So let me tune in on another device and see if I can hear myself speaking into the microphone. Hello, testing. Oh, I can hear myself speaking in the microphone. So yeah, well that's fun. Okay. Can I use more than 10 voices to the app? Yes, I can. Just kidding. Limited event. Cannot. I cannot. You can only currently add 10. That is a limitation at the moment. So unfortunately that is that. But here, if I go to localhost, feed it 8? Something like that. And then I go into RVC.
Testing. Hello. I shouldn't be back. Something like that. Okay. Yeah. Audio test. Testing. Hello. 1, 2. I guess it's working. I guess change it to create.
But yeah, here we are speaking. I actually really have a very slight delay. I have like a 30 millisecond delay. It's pretty quick. Like, yeah, there's not too much delay on it. Clips are good. I like clips. But they're cheating expensive. Clips, that is of course. But yeah. I'll probably have to go back and listen to hear how I sounded, but, I'm currently running my mining model. That is what is running. Okay, I'll go ahead and leave that on for now. But what else was I doing? Oh yeah. I was trying to do some I was trying to do some speaker diarization. And by running it this way. Oh wait. I don't want to run it on here. I want to run it on the Python code here. So let me go ahead and run it on this it should work if I run this and then go into test, run the select folder. It should. So let me go ahead and overwrite that. And perform the transcription, do alignment, and then we should be all good to go actually. So yeah, there are some optimizations that you can do. I am actually running it on server with WhatsApp for the voice changer, and it's close to real time. Like if you hear me speak, um, like you can actually see my mouth moving, and then you should be able to hear the model. Um, it should be pretty real time right now, so there's not much delay. But of course, I'm running a 4090. 4090 is super expensive and super fast, so I'd hope so. But I was actually able to get it running this fast, surprisingly enough, on my 2070 Super on my laptop. Not this fast, but it was pretty real time. It could fool you for real time. So I want to do a comparison video between my 2070 Super and then my 4090 to see what the actual difference is between it. But yeah, it's weird because I'm hearing my voice and you guys are hearing a different voice right now, so. Okay, so here are the outputs. Still created the outputs based on um okay, now this is where it gets a little bit tricky for me to actually uh implement without spending a lot of time on. Okay, so this is where ChatGPT is going to come in handy, and I'm gonna go ahead and load up a ChatGPT instance so that I can show you guys how I would go about doing this. You know what you could do is, the reason that it runs on a server is you're supposed to be able to, the author says, the goal of that is to be able to run it on one device and then, play games on another. So if you're playing games on like your 3080 Ti, you could have your 2080 Ti running in the background for, speaker changing or voice changing. So that could work in tandem to help you out quite a bit there. Alright, but let me go ahead and change my voice. Let's go ahead and run a different model to speak with. So here's another model that we're running. Alright, here is my ChatGPT instance, and here we go. Let's go GPT-4. I am currently coding a program in Python and need help doing a... Wait, hold on. Calculate start and end times with padding. PyW uses milliseconds. Insert existing file count in the output directory. Alright, let's go ahead and change voices.
I think it's um I think it's kind of fun to be able to change voices on the go. Um, and I was actually looking at another one that apparently exists out there called Voice Mod, and people pay for that. I'm like, wow, spending like $100 on like Voice Mod, and it doesn't work as good as RVC's W Okada. No way, absolutely not. I'm like, man, that's a lot of money people are spending on that. Me, yeah, I think you're correct on that. After the 30 series and above are the only ones that got access to the CUDA side of things. Um, and but you know the 2080 can still do some pretty crazy stuff. Um, or it can still do some good stuff. I got a 2070 Super and it runs the real-time voice client not too slowly. So yeah, that's that. Sorry, Sim. I just came across it the other day. And that was the first thought that crossed across my mind. But in your defense, or in people's defense, it's been long, it's been around much longer. This one's only really been out for about 2 months. Well, client actually has some built-in noise suppression, echo suppression, and all that stuff.
As for server, you can actually access different sound devices. Oh my voice cracked. You can access different sound devices that allows them to be faster. So I don't know exactly the coding behind that side of stuff yet. I do want to learn more though. Got off topic. Here is ChatGPT. No, I totally agree with you. However, adding more delay, it depends. If your graphics card isn't able to keep up with the overlay and the output of the audio, the quality actually deteriorates. However, I find that quality kind of stops increasing for me at chunk 112 or 128, and whatnot. But I can run comfortably at 40, or if I can't run 32 or 24 without it getting kind of weird. Index should help a little bit. People say that Index makes it faster, but what's really going to make it faster is Onyx models. If you export out to an Onyx model, you're gonna be able to run it faster a little bit. And I believe that's just because Onyx is a little bit more efficient on the code side of things. It's just a faster runtime. But okay, here is the Jesus. You guys can't see it. Well, here. I am currently coding a program in Python. I need help. I need help. Can I even set up the environment? You are an experienced Python developer with over 20 years of development. I'm currently coding a program in Python. I need help splicing audio samples based on speaker diarization. Here is the code. Here is a sample of the outputted SRT file. And oh wait, hold on. Let me go. Yeah, here it is. Alright. Here is an example of the output SRT file that is used for splicing the audio. What I want oops. What I want to accomplish is having the model wait. What I want to accomplish is having the audio split and sorted out into folders based on speaker based on speaker name. So in this case, there should be a folder called speaker yeah and speaker 01. Please start by asking any clarifying questions. Okay. And then now ChatGPT is going to do its magic, and this is how I save many hours, many hours of coding by having ChatGPT supercharge my coding abilities. Understood devices and modifying the code to create separate directories for each speaker and store the corresponding audio segments there. Let's clarify some points. Am I correct in understanding that the speaker name is always going to be in the format of speaker XX, where XX can be any digits? You are correct. Secondly, yes, they should, yes, correct. In the output directory. When we provided sample of the SRT file, each timestamped entry starts with the speaker name in the format. Yes, that. Yep, yes. This is correct. In case of multiple WAV files in the input directory, should the speaker segment from all files be put in the same speaker? Yes, they should be put in the same. Oh, whoa. Nah, they should be put into a directory based on the WAV file name. If an audio segment includes multiple speakers, how would you like the audio file to be handled? There is already speaker diarization built into the sub-process call that I do with Whisper X. I thank you for tuning in today, Chaos Myth. I will see you around. Appreciate it, and yeah. 6.
Okay, swapped over voices. We're running a Goku model. Alrighty, so continuing along, 6. Is it safe to assume that the SRT files generated by the WhisperX program accurately identify the speakers? Let's assume this for the sake of simplicity. Already, I think that is all of the questions that I need to answer. Yep, perfect. All right. The latest version of W Okada, you probably want to run it at the other one, the 1.5.3. I forget. It should end in A. The one ending in 6 kind of brought in some bugs that caused some things to break. So yeah, I still run it on the previous one. However, if you do want to run it on the latest one, you can. You're most likely seeing a blank screen. So where it says Dio at the F0 DET, you want to change that to Harvest, and it should load the other models. Um, but if you can't even see that screen, yeah, I would recommend going to the other one, and just running that for now. On now. Seems that why? All right. Okay, cool. So it looks like it built it in. Let's go ahead. Adding functionality to extract speaker name from each title. Creating a new directory for each speaker on the directory to the WAV file. Saving each speaker audio as directory. Okay. Here's how the adjusted extract audio as a TM process audio functions could look like. Indeed. ChatGPT helps you out quite a bit in areas where you can pseudocode it up. So I can pseudocode this out and have ChatGPT write it for me without me having to go through lots of documentation to fully dive to go crazy in documentation. Or in any case, most people end up just going to Stack Exchange or using online forums anyway. ChatGPT is much nicer to me. So, um, and a lot of people say it's you learn best by doing, and if you don't even start, I feel like ChatGPT just gets your foot in the door. It helps you out so much. Um, extract audio with SRT. Oh, I change this area. Okay. Extract speaker from the. Okay. Cool. Process audio files. Okay, what changed here? Audio input. Wave. Okay. Nothing changed. Hey, it didn't finish writing the code. Okay, let's see what's gonna do. For I sub and enumerate sub extract speaker from subtitle. Okay, splits it with that. Create speaker specific output directory. Alrighty, cool. So it'll create that based on the directories already. Based on the speaker name, calculate set and times. Checked. Alrighty, cool, perfect. This should work. Just a quick browse. It shouldn't work. It should work. Alright. Copy. Copy paste, copy paste. Boom. Alright. Yes, I am currently using RVC. How weird does it sound? On a scale of 1 to weird, how weird does it sound?
So here is a different voice. Wait, probably because that one is trained a little bit less. Um, Unfortunately, I'm not able to monitor how I sound. But if I pop my live stream up on a okay, we have a different voice on right now. Of course. This model I actually trained on a lot of data. But what I could probably do is increase these. I haven't practiced speaking with the voice changers. And which is interesting because, you know, the voice changer, you can change how you speak in order to make it sound better. So, so yeah, you know, that is where we're at.
Yeah, I went ahead and swapped over to a different one as well too. But it looks like my code is actually working as it's supposed to, so. Okay, that's awesome. Let's scroll down. And I'm gonna show you an example of how you can use it. Okay, let me try to get let me get 2 YouTube videos into here and try that out. We'll see how that goes. Yeah. Well, that in one of my TikToks actually. Okay, so we're gonna try this out, or I'm gonna try this out on one more thing and see how it goes. So if this goes successfully, I am done streaming. I am done streaming for the night. So um, here is test. Ready? It is running, and
We're back to my voice. Alrighty. Cool. So, yeah. Once I'm done with this, it should be time for me to call it a night once this is done. Okay, cool. Oh, this is awesome. Heck yeah.
Can I speak English with you? Well, yes. So it's not simply just a. Now, some voices work a little bit better in English, like Suisei's transfers over to English much better. And with Suisei's, you can actually sing. So that's pretty fun.
Some of them sound better. And yeah, each. でも、英語より日本語 like I said,
Okay, yes, there we go. This is um this is going to be fantastic for data creation. All right, cool, perfect. I've got all of it that I needed to be coded out. Um, what else do I need for that YouTube video? I don't think I really need anything else for the YouTube video. I think I should be good to go for Friday's video. So, woohoo! Code works. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. So, yeah, that is going to probably sum it up for the night for me. Um, I've got some Japanese to finish studying, so um, maybe I'll finish that out on stream as well too. But I have got like a couple flashcards left over, and shouldn't be much more till I'm done. Um, mm, okay. But yeah, code is done, and I am relieved that it's working correctly. So that is nice. That is good. Okay. JPDB. Alright. So, yep, we are going to, or I am going to finish up my flashcards on stream, and then I'm going to call it a night. So, that'll be that. Let me go ahead and save my code. Exit out of this. Yeah. Cool, but pretty much that's it for the rest of the live stream. That's all the coding that I did. And that's the software done. So, yep, that is it. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna finish these flashcards on stream, and then I'm gonna go to bed, because it's time to go to bed. うん。一軍。うん、一軍。申告。なめる。完 関西弁。コール。New cards time. 靴次第終了。To float. Call out. Doi. Sweet. Alrighty, done with Japanese flashcards for the night. Yeah, so that is gonna be that for today's live stream. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. It looks like I had 146 viewers during the live stream. That is crazy. Oh my goodness, that's like an entire lecture hall of people watching my live stream. Um, but yeah, that's crazy. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. So hopefully I'm able to do this some other time. But that's gonna be the end of today's live stream. I gotta go to sleep and yeah, do some stuff tomorrow. So see you guys later. Thank you for tuning in, and yeah.